In this video, I'll show you guys how to easily get Ultimate Nitro in NFS Most Wanted 2005. All you have to do is open up Chrome and search NFS MW 2005 trainer. Select the second site and select the download option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and now just minimize this and launch the game. Once you are in game, just press the Alt Tab key and minimize the game, and just right click on the trainer and select Run as Administrator and select Yes option. Check mark this N2O and Speed Breaker, and now get back to the game. And now you can use Ultimate Nitro, guys. As you can see, it is doesn't decreases. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.